Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in game, all you need to do is press escape first, which will bring up your game menu, and then click on the Friends tab right over here, and then go to add friends, which is this icon in the middle right here, and on the search bar type your friend's UID or user ID and then press search, which will bring up your friend's profile, and then press add friend. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!